A speed breaker for NDA in 2024 when they scored fewer seats than expected in the Lok Sabha polls. A dip with many seats going to the Congress. And so the decline of NDA was predicted by the opposition. But in just over a year, BJP-led NDA has scripted back-to-back political blockbusters powered by the Modi factor. First, in Maharashtra, the first big test for NDA after a general election. There was high optimism within the Mahavikas Aghadi, with some even making advanced logistical arrangements for newly elected MLAs in anticipation of forming the government. But on the day of the verdict, the BJP-led Mahajyoti coalition overwhelmed expectations by sweeping 230 seats out of 288. Mahajyoti avoided major internal splits and projected a unified leadership with Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. The messaging about united governance and no more instability resonated with the voters, and Prime Minister Modi's image as a guarantor of stability played a crucial role.
मेरा तो एक ही मंत्र है, हम एक हैं तो सेफ हैं। भारत माता के।
In Haryana, despite widespread speculation and exit polls predicting a Congress wave or winds of change, BJP managed to overcome 10 years of anti-incumbency by executing a strong grassroots campaign. Congress struggled to convert discontent into a cohesive vote bloc. Prime Minister Modi's anti-corruption messaging and the promise of Modi ki guarantee helped the BJP win decisively.
समस्याओं को संभावनाओं में बदल देना, ये मोदी की गारंटी है।
Then came Delhi. Widespread anti-incumbency affected the Aam Aadmi Party after 10 years in power. With rising voter frustration over deteriorating infrastructure, sanitation, severe air pollution, and failures in municipal governance, Prime Minister Modi's campaign directly targeted Aam Aadmi Party's governance record, coining the term Aapda.
दिल्ली एक बड़ी आपदा से घिरी है। अन्ना हजारे जी को सामने करके कुछ कट्टर बेईमान लोगों ने दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेल दिया,
and positioning the BJP as the safer choice under Modi ki guarantee. The Modi factor was evident in BJP's increased vote share, with voters shifting from the Aam Aadmi Party to BJP, especially in the middle class and Muslim communities due to Modi's reputation for delivering promises. And now, the massive victory in Bihar. The BJP and JDU alliance swept the state. Modi's messaging about law and order, attack on Jungle Raj, the Katta Jaib, and his direct appeal to women resonated with the voters.
आरजेडी ने कांग्रेस की कनपट्टी पर कट्टा रखकर सीएम पद चोरी कर लिया।
From Maharashtra to Haryana, Delhi and now Bihar, the Modi factor has been the driving force behind NDA's resurgence, turning the tide in every major poll and redefining the political landscape of India. Bureau Report, NDTV.